And Russian offensive in Ukraine and ongoing war has severely impacted global crude oil markets. We all know that. Now, West's ban on Russian oil and gas imports has led to surge in prices of petroleum and in overall energy sector. In March this year, crude oil prices were up to $140 a barrel. Now, since then, they have come down, but only slightly. India's response to crude oil shock has been quick. India is the world's third biggest oil consuming and importing nation. It imports over 85% of crude oil. According to S&P Global Market Intelligence data, in 2021, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, UAE and US, they were top suppliers of oil for India. Biggest supplier being Iraq, it supplied 24% of the demand. US met 8% of India's oil demands, but the country has visibly changed its oil supply chain in recent months in second quarter of 2022. The most visible changes, well, it is in the absence of US from top 10 suppliers. It's in addition of Russia to top supplier list. Early Russia origin crude made up for 1% of India's total seaborne imports in 2021. Russia now stands at 10%. Russia has now become fourth largest oil supplier to India in April. The volumes are set to rise further in coming months. This has low prices per demand from India. This as per trade sources, and in March this year, India imported about 66,000 barrels per day from Russia. In April, it went up to 277,000 barrels per day, which is 319% increase. Now, Western sanctions against Russia since its invasion of Ukraine have prompted many oil importers to shun trade with Moscow. This pushed Russia's crude discount to record levels. When India decided to buy oil from Russia at discounted rates, West, especially Washington, criticized New Delhi for its decision. Despite pressure from West, India stood its ground.
Seotud, neid on väga raske lahutada väiksemate turude kaudu siis juba üle Euroopa.
WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.